All right, so today we're doing a comparison between the new Sony XE300 and the JBL Charge 5. I know a couple of you guys have been asking how these two stack up, so that's what we're going to cover here in today's video. And again, we're going to make this super simple, so let's go ahead and jump into the specs, get those out of the way, and feel free to pause the video so that you can take a closer look for yourself. So one thing that I forgot to add to the list of specs is a built-in microphone. So only the Sony has a microphone. That way, if you're connected to the speaker and you happen to get a phone call, you can answer it and take the phone call directly through the speaker. With the JBL Charge 5, it doesn't have a microphone, so you don't really have that option. So let's go ahead and talk about what I'm sure most of you guys want to know, which is the sound quality. So if you saw my comparison between the new Sony XE300 and the JBL Extreme 3, it's really the same results between these two speakers as well. So when it comes to overall volume, as well as treble and clarity, the JBL Charge 5 definitely has the advantage. So again, vocals come across much more pronounced, and it really just projects the sound much more compared to the Sony. The Sony has more of a warmer type of sound. So when it comes to bass, I feel like the bass is more noticeable on the Sony. The JBL has really good bass as well, and they both have custom EQ in their respective apps. So you can really kind of tweak the sound to bring out more of what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and get into the sound test so that you guys can listen for yourselves.
I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta figure being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings. You don't ever want to step.
So overall, these are two excellent portable Bluetooth speakers, and it really just comes down to personal preference. They both have customizable EQ within their respective apps. So with the Sony, you can go in there and make some changes to pull out a little bit more of the treble and clarity if that's what you're looking for. So that's going to cover it for today's video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and as always, I will see you in the next one.